Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, July 28th. In the Nasdaq market, we had a little bit of movement to the upside in the Asia-European session. However, midday for the U.S. marketplace, we found sellers and they pushed this market lower. You can see the shadow on the bottom, which means a little bit of buying came in, but right now this last candle that you're looking at represents Asia. And we're seeing softness in Asia right now. We do have fundamentals coming out in the United States that could have an impact here, but a lower move with the shadow on the lows is expected behavior for Friday. In the currency market, let's see what's going on with those markets. And here we looked for the dollar to get stronger. Did it do that? Well, it did against the euro. It traded below that bearish level, and the magnitude change between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $312.50. I do look for further movement to the downside, but not a big move down. Also in the Canadian dollar, this market traded below its bearish level. So the magnitude change between this red line and green line that you see here is $4,100 per contract. I do look for further movement to the downside on Friday, but again, not a large move. Let's see what happens with interest rates. Well, interest rates, if you look at the 10-year notes, and that's what we're going to focus on here, it was basically an inside type day. We had no follow through to the upside. That's right on target, and I do look for further weakness on Friday. I think that would make sense. But what about gold? Is gold that barometer of uncertainty? Do we see that? We do not. We're basically seeing a sideways move, and I'm looking for that to continue. Sideways to lower is what I'm looking for in that market. And when it comes to crude oil, well, we're seeing a little bit of selling coming in Asia, and I think we could have our high in for the day on Friday. I'm looking for an inside day of Thursday's range for Friday's action. And if we take a look at soybeans, a mixed bag, it traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change in this market is $350 a contract. I look for a sideways move in that market. Also, corn traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change in that market is $500 a contract. And again, here I'm looking for a sideways to lower move for the corn market. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care.